Hey there! Python, as a language, comes with these nifty built-in functions that you can just use without any extra fuss from your end. These functions are truly a treasure chest, helping you save a lot of coding time and effort. Let's dive into some of these built-in functions that I find utterly fascinating. Firstly, there's print. You remember this one, since it's the simplest form of output, right? It's like shouting out something, and everyone listening hears it. You use it when you want to share something, maybe a message or a result, with someone else, like this. For instance, print. Then there's lay. Ever wondered how long a list or string is? No need to count, just lay will do, and voila, you get the length of hello, which is simply 5. I was recently working with the sorted function. It's like having a magician sorting a list for you. You pass a list to it, like sorted, and it returns. Not just numeric sorted can juggle strings too, converting them into a nice list of their characters sorted yields. What amazes me is how elegant that function is. And let's not forget the sum. It's like a digital charity collector, adding numbers and donating the total amount to wherever you directed it. Sum equals 10. That's all it takes. Oh, abs. I love the simplicity of getting the absolute value of a number. Just imagine a number stuck in a negative space, thinking of coming up to be positive. Abs will bring the number back to ground level, returning 5. Cute, isn't it? But let me tell you about any and all. It's like the twin checkers of truth for a list of conditions. Using any returns true because true is found at least once in the list. Conversely, all returns false because false is found at least once, and the criteria is that all should be true, not just some. Enumerate, zip, and reversed come across as a dream team for handling collections. Enumerate pairs each number with its index. It's almost like naming your kids. Zip couples tomfoolery names with numbers. Reversed is like rewinding a video, giving it back to its initial frames reversed. Each time, they make handling collections more manageable and user-friendly. Next up, my absolute favorites are input, open, and file.close. Input is like the gatekeeper. It asks you the question and waits for your answer. As for open and file.close, imagine you are the landlord of records, inviting them for tenancy with my_file is equal to open, and after some use, you politely exit file.close. This is how Python manages files, so no resource is wasted. It's a cycle of inviting and showing proper respect. I'm super excited to introduce try, except, and finally. These are Python's shields and swords, protecting code from errors. Try, risky _code, except, error handling. This makes code robust against possible hiccups, ensuring our program doesn't choke at runtime and handles unexpected errors gracefully. The range function and its twins xrange in the older versions are timesavers in loops. They provide a compact and efficient way to generate numbers within a given scope. They help in creating concise yet power-intense loop, like for I in range print. The map function, along with lambda expressions, turns code into poetry. Imagine mapping square is equal to lambda x, x asterisk x, numbers is equal to map, and this turns into map. Lambda can take a repetitive task, break it down into simple, clean expressions, and handle those briskly, making code not just efficient but delightful to write, too. On the threading side, threading in Python is like managing a swarm of bees, where each bee is running a task in the background, enhancing the multitasking capabilities of our programs. Threading.thread is how we start a new thread. Thread.start and thread.join ensures that the main program waits for it to finish. Lastly, queue is like the train station for threads. By managing thread-safe queues, it ensures the data exchanges between threads are well organized, avoiding any data collision and overheating. Honestly, I never knew Python was such a friendly soul, always ready to lend a hand through its built-in functions. This guide has been such a refreshing stroll, learning about these handy-dandy functions. Now, why don't you check out Neeraj's tech videos? They're always insightful. Visit Neeraj's profile at zz.qzz.io and don't forget to subscribe to TechLab for tech tips and tricks.